Hi mate, welcome to my channel where we discuss the latest trends and development in cryptocurrency space. Today we're going to look at the topic tag Crypto Cash, how to make $500 in 5 minutes. Yes, if this is the first time of you watching this very channel, do us a favor by press liking, sharing and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Alright, let's dive into it. But before we do anything, we're going to look at the following headings. We're going to look at introduction, where we just a bit of introduction, then understanding cryptocurrency, timing your investment, choosing the right platform, managing your investment, and we're going to give you a befitting conclusion. All right. Now, as we all know, cryptocurrency has been a hot topic in recent years, with many people making significant profit by investing in it. But the question here is, can you really make $500 in just 5 minutes? The answer is yes. And in this very presentation, we will explore how you can do it. But before we begin, it is important to note that investing in cryptocurrency is not without risks. It's crucial to do your own research, understand the market, and invest only what you can afford to lose. Now, the major thing also is to understand cryptocurrency. Yeah, cryptocurrency, as we all know, is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It operates independently of central bank and can be transferred directly between individuals without the need of intermediaries like banks. Bitcoin is the most well-known cryptocurrency, but there are thousands of others, each with a unique feature and potential for growth. Some popular cryptocurrency include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, BNB Coin, and the rest. Now, how do you time your investment? One of the keys to making quick profit in cryptocurrency is timing your investment correctly. Yeah, this timing can take months, can take years, but you can actually time it and make huge return on investment. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate rapidly, so it's essential to keep an eye on the market and look for opportunities to buy low and sell high. That is the key, guys. Buy low and sell high. You could also consider investing in new cryptocurrency that has recently launched and has the potential for rapid growth. And for you to do that, guys, you have to make sure you do your own research effectively. However, this strategy is riskier as the new currency may not gain traction in the market. That you should know. It's very, very important. Now, how do you choose the right platform to perform your cryptocurrency investment or trading? I have actually done a video on the best 3 cryptocurrency platform ever that you can actually use as it is as at 2023. I've done that video. You can check in my other videos. Now, to invest in cryptocurrency, you will need to choose a platform that allows you to buy and sell it. Yeah, you can't go to a platform where you can only buy but not sell. Some popular platforms include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. But before choosing a platform, consider factors such as fees, security measures, and availability of the cryptocurrency you want to invest in. Yeah, because you can't just go into any exchange having a certain token or coin you want to buy in mind, and without making your research whether it's in that exchange, and you just go there and put in your money that you want to buy. So you must make sure you make that research. It is also essential to ensure that the platform is reputable and trustworthy, and that's why we give you these 3 that we believe in their trustworthiness and reputability. Now, how do you manage your investment? Once you've invested in cryptocurrency, it is crucial to manage your investment carefully. Set realistic goals for your profit and losses and stick to them. Very important. Avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Short-term market fluctuations are inevitable in the cryptocurrency space, so you must make sure you fight that your emotional bias. You could also consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in multiple cryptocurrencies or other assets like stocks or real estate. This strategy can help mitigate risks and maximize your return. A closing thought here is investing in cryptocurrency can be a lucrative way to make quick profit, but it's not without risks. We've said that earlier. By understanding the market, timing your investment correctly, choosing the right platform, and managing your investment carefully, you can increase your chances of success. Remember, do your own research. Invest only what you can afford to lose and avoid making emotional decisions. With these tips, you could potentially make $500 in just 5 minutes of investing in cryptocurrencies. See you in our next video. We love you all, but don't forget, guys, to press like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.